LG XBOOM PL5 with Meridian. This is a new Bluetooth speaker from LG with latest technologies. Sound with Meridian, deep, rich, powerful bass and crisp, clear vocals. 18 hours playtime in single charge. Play all night long. All night long. Dual action bass. Two dual bass radiators use air pressure to create more bass. That's a new technology in Bluetooth speakers. Pool party proof, splash resistant means IPX5. So this is water resistant. You guys can add your LG XBOOM Go to your home theater. The Bluetooth speaker easily connect to compatible LG TVs. That's awesome. Wireless party link up to 100 speakers. So you guys can connect 100 speakers together for a party, for big sound. And also, if you guys press the play button for 2 seconds, then speak to activate Google Assistant on your Android phone or Siri on iOS. The lighting function. Wow. The flashing LED lights look so beautiful. I will show you. Okay, so the flashing LED lights sync to the beat of your music. Wow. The lights dance according to the music. So nice, awesome. And for more features, please download XBOOM app from your phone. It's available on Play Store and on Apple Store. So what we got in the box? One user manual, one LG XBOOM Bluetooth speaker, and one charging Type-C cable. And that's it. We don't need this later. And this is user manual. That's fine. Okay. So this is sound boost button. It boosts the sound, And this is, if you press 1 time, play pause, 2 times, skip to the next song, and press 3 times, skip backward. Volume up, down, Bluetooth button, power on off button, and battery charging, indicator. Nice. It's nice. Look. Nice Bluetooth speaker. Nice. This looks like the dark blue color. This is sport, rubbery sport. Nice. Let's see what's in the back. XBOOM. Okay. The first one is a multi-mode button to connect multiple speakers together. The second one is dual button, dual mode, to connect only 2 Bluetooth speakers. And this is flashing light button to turn on or off the light. This is reset button. This is charging connection Type-C and aux cable connection. Nice. IPX5, waterproof, nice speaker. And it's time to listen the music and check the performance. Okay, it's time to turn on the speaker, Bluetooth pairing button, and listen the music.